What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. Hope everyone's doing well. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell button. That way you don't miss any of the videos. I want to give a quick shout out to all the new subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for the support. So for today, we're actually going to go ahead and try out the Armorall UltraShine HeadLight Restoration wipes. I'm going to go ahead and try this out on the Versa. They're a little bit dingy and oxidized. So let's see what kind of results we get, and we'll go ahead and get started right after this. Alright guys, I want to go ahead and read the directions on the box. It says step 1, oxidation removal. Avoid contact with painted surfaces. Use painter's tape to protect paint surfaces surrounding headlight. 1. Ensure headlight is clean and dry. 2. Open one cleaning oxidation removal pouch and remove wipe. Keep wipe folded to reduce evaporation. 3. Scrub headlight with firm even pressure in a horizontal back and forth motion. You will notice the oxidation residue beginning to be removed. 5. Continue to wipe, turning wipe to a clean section as needed until no residue is visible on wipe. Discard wipe. 6. Open a second cleaning oxidation removal pouch and continue wiping back and forth with firm pressure for at least 2 minutes. Note: though your headlight may appear clear, additional deep cleaning is necessary to ensure all oxidation is removed. 7. Repeat 1 through 6 on other headlight. Right here, I just wanted to go ahead and do a quick wipe down. It was just a little bit of water and a clean microfiber towel, as well as a dry microfiber towel afterwards. Alright guys, so here's step 2. It says UV sealant protection. 1. Ensure surface is dry before applying sealant. For best results, first wipe surface with a clean lint-free towel. 2. Open UV sealant protection pouch and pull out wipe. 3. Apply to the headlight surface by wiping in one direction, similar to applying a coat of paint. One wipe will coat 2 headlights, but use additional sealant wipe if needed. Avoid contact with painted surface. 4. Let the surface dry completely. Surface will be dry to touch in almost 3 hours. Do not touch surface and avoid contact with water until dry. If spotting or streaking occurs from water contact before fully dry, repeat step 1 and step 2 with fresh wipes. Note: drying time after step 2 is dependent upon weather conditions. Drying may take longer in lower temperatures or higher humidity. Alright guys, so for my final thoughts, thought this probably did an excellent job. Definitely brought back the clarity to the headlights. Now it wasn't like a heavy oxidation, so I would consider this kind of like light. So it was actually a perfect application for this type of situation, and I was very happy with the purchase. So I'm glad I got this, and we'll just have to see how long this lasts as far as the sealant, and I'll make sure to keep an eye on it. And if it lasts, like a pretty good, let's just say if it lasts a year, that would be awesome. Then this could be more of like a maintenance situation, just an idea. I think that would be cool. All right, guys, if you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button. If you appreciate this type of content, feel free to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Hope everyone has an awesome day. Take care.